Getting a Steam Cloud sync error? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly so you can get back to your games without losing any progress. First, make sure Steam's servers are working fine. Head over to steamstat.us and look for any issues with Steam Cloud. If Steam is having issues, just wait a while and try again. Next, fully close Steam by going to the top left corner, clicking Steam, then Exit. Relaunch Steam and see if the error goes away. Now check if Steam Cloud is enabled in your settings. Go to Steam, Settings Cloud, and make sure this box is checked. Also, right-click your game, go to Properties General, and confirm Steam Cloud is turned on for that specific game. If you get a Cloud Sync conflict pop-up, choose the most recent or accurate version. If unsure, you can back up both the local and cloud versions just in case. Verify the game's files to rule out corruption. Right-click the game, Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. Still no luck? Let's repair the Steam library folder. This can fix problems with file access and syncing. Go to Steam, Settings, Storage. Click the three dots next to your library folder and choose Repair Folder. If prompted, give admin permission and let Steam do the repair. Another fix is clearing your download cache. Go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Then log back in. Still not working? Try turning off Steam Cloud for the game, restarting Steam, and turning it back on. This can reset the sync process. You can also manually back up your game save files. These are usually found in your Documents folder, App Data, or in the Steam User Data folder. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the game. This can sometimes fix sync issues if nothing else works. And that's it. Let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.